Heidi ho everybody, there's a nice coin. It's from the Republic of the Philippines, 2014. Did you know 2014 the outbreak of the Ebola virus in West Africa? That happened in 2014. Also the Malaysia airline flight 370 disappeared. And the annexation of Crimea by Russia all happened in 2014. So there you go. Bit of useless information for you. So, there's the other side. So first of all, I'm going to punch a hole in it. Hope everybody's doing fine. Mr. Wonderful is feeling absolutely fantastic. Right, let's go over to Big Bertha. Let's see what she's got in store for us today. How's she looking? Yeah, not too bad. She's looked better, she's also looked a lot worse. Yeah, I think I'll add a little something to the dates of all the coins I do now, you know, take a little extra. Bit more useless information for people, you know. Right. Okie dokie. Right, let's break out Christy Burr and clean this edge up a bit. Here's one for you, Beer. You like a bit of comedy? Well, it's on YouTube now. You can get all this series on YouTube. It's called Rising Damp. Check it out, man. If you haven't already seen them, check it out. It's bloody brilliant. Right, let's warm it up a bit. Should do the job. There it is. Right. I'll just dry it off. We stick it in a little doming block that we like to use nowadays because it does work. So what side are we going to do? Sunny side up. I think it's going to have to be this side, isn't it? Yeah. So this will be sunny side up, so this goes face down. Now a little doming block, like so. We go over to big red. Give it a little bit of the old one too. Be nice if I could get my camera sort of a bit more down here. But it took me ages to get this setup sorted out, so I think it's sort of a bit restricted. And I'll pop it in. 17 degree folding die. And I'll give it a bit more, the old one too. 1, 2. That's quite soft, this one. I like it. I like it. I like it. That's looking good. Right. A piece of kitchen roll. And we'll head over to Spike. There it is. good as ever. Give it a bit of a turn each time. These sharp bits of the coin, they cut through this kitchen roll until you start getting further down. I think we'll have a butcher's. Yeah, pretty sexy at the moment. Still looking good. Back on. A few more pumps. You just want to get that bow out of it. For all you budding coiners out there that have just started, you must get the bow out of it. That's where I used to go wrong big time. I'm giving all the secrets away, aren't I? I bet that upsets a lot of the old timers. There you go. There's still a little bit in there. But I think I can afford to go a little bit more. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. This will probably be about a size 10. 9, I don't know. I don't know. There you go. No bow. So now I'm going to break out. There she is, still looking gorgeous. Kate. I just want to clean up that edge a bit before I put it in. That's better. Right, am I going to need to anneal this again or not? There's a bit too much sticking up for my liking. That's better. It's handy to have the two of them. You can get away with just this one to start with. But then if you start doing bigger coins, you need something a bit more manly. Right. Is there something underneath this? It's a bit wobbly. Yes. That's better. Yeah, nice and straight. Now we can break out Miss Gorgeous. The relief isn't that big on this coin. I think it's quite badly worn. But hey, it is what it is, and I like it. So I made it. You can't beat working for yourself. When I lived in England, when I was sparking in England, if you're good at your job, you don't get anywhere. If you're bloody useless, you get made up to a foreman or, I mean, it's bloody crazy, man. I used to take the mickey out of them. And I cannot lick arse at all. Right, let's put in Cotton John. Yeah, I was good at my job. I'm not just saying it to be big-headed, but I was really good at it, and I enjoyed it. But God, some of the people you had to work with, I just couldn't cope with it sometimes. I used to pack my tools up. But before me say, what are you doing? I said, I'm going. He said, where are you going? I said, I'm going down the pub, man. I said, I've had enough of this crap. But I've always been that way, you know. You can't just go. You watch me. Ouch. Right. What we got? I don't think it's looking too bad. Right, how's it looking? Yeah, the relief is quite faint on this one. Republic of the Philippines. You got the text on the inside, what there is of it. What size we got? We have got a size. I'll go for a size. I'll guess 10. No, much bigger than that, I think. 11 and a quarter. Thereabouts. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your support. If you're not subscribed, how about it? There's a little button, bottom right hand corner of the video. You can hit that. You're automatically subscribed. It's free. There's no obligation. Fits this finger perfectly. Oh. Yeah, I do custom work. You can send me your own coins. You can contact me at yourfingermyring at proton.me. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Stay safe. Be happy. And God willing, I will see you tomorrow. So bye-bye.